And we're back with another knife review. Today it is the Civivi Plethiros. These are all top flippers. Whoops, missed that one. 2 out of 3 ain't bad. We'll start off by giving you the specs on these blades. They're very light, first of all. The overall length is 7.9 inches. The blade length is 3.45 inches. And the cutting area is about 3.3. These are all D2, which brings them about 59 to 61 on the Rockwell scale. They're all designed by Elijah Isham. And they do have a unique design that I'd like to show you about here in a second. The blade style is clip point. The blade grind on all WE or Civivi knives is flat. The finish is satin. Has a plain edge. The handle length is 4.5 inches. The handle at its widest point is 0.75. Each one of these is G10 with a carbon fiber onlay. They come in black on black, black on tan, and black on green. They each weigh just about 3 ounces. They have skeletonized stainless steel liners, which helps cut down on the weight. They are tip-up carry, as you can see there. They're all liner locks, manual flippers, have stainless steel ball bearings for their pivot. The pivot caps all have the Civivi logo, which is a nice little touch. And they have one barrel spacer. Now if you notice here, what I wanted to talk to you about was the very end of the knife. If you can see it, there is no spacer at the end. That's very unique. You don't see that very often. So when you open this knife, that's twice, you will see here that it is flow through pretty much all the way except for this one barrel spacer. We'll switch off to the black one now. Of course, this knife is designed for everyday carry. Has a stainless steel, also skeletonized pocket clip, so it cuts down on the weight. I think I mentioned this, but it has a D2 blade, so it should have good blade retention. We're going to show you how it cuts here. And we'll do that right now. Let's slide these over here out the way. We'll use the black one. No particular reason. And we'll cut some paracord here. You see there, it cuts right through, real smooth. Same thing that way. We'll bring over some burlap and roll that up so that we get a nice thick cutting area. And that just pushes right through, as does most of the D2 knives that we will show you. You pull it back, it cuts right through there. Clean that up a little bit. We'll give the TAM one a chance since it hasn't had any opportunity. We'll cut from the tip of the blade to the hilt, and the next cut will be the base of the blade all the way back to the front on this cardboard here. And it just cuts right through it. Normally find that Damascus and D2 cut through things like cardboard easily, very easily. And as you know, it will also stay sharp a long time, so you won't have to do much work on this one. We'll show you how it does a piercing cut. So it just goes right in there. And you just pull it right on. I mean, you can do it as fast or as slow as you want. This is a nice little blade. Alright, so make sure I covered everything. G10 handle, carbon fiber onlay, D2 blade, drop point, liner locks. This is the, oh, I forgot to tell you, these knives run at $74.80 on AtlanticKnife.com. So they're very affordable and should give you years of cutting enjoyment. On that note, if you're watching on Instagram, make sure you follow Atlantic Knife. Like the post. We do giveaways weekly. Post a knife review pretty much every day. But if you're watching on YouTube, it's a little bit different. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. We do a weekly show there. We try to keep it under 20 minutes. Most of the time it goes 30. But it's not only humorous, it's very informative about new knives. I believe these were on there last week. So on that note, this is the Civivi Plethiros, designed by Elijah Isham. I am C with Atlantic Knife, signing off.